How to do the Ricky Bobby. There's a new cat in town, Willz, with a new song called The Nature Walk.
Nature Walk.
And we're about to show y'all how to do it because a month, 2 months from now, this is going to be the hottest shit in Dallas.
Are you ready for this song? Quickmixxrick.
Willz is in the building.
What's that motherfucker?
Right there.
Oh, bring it on, dog. You ready?
Y'all ready for this shit, man?
Speak on it. Here's one for you. Hey, y'all get to the bar, get you another drink, get your fucking beer, do what you gotta do. Just after you get the Ricky Bobby,
we're about to show them how to do the nature walk, man.
The nature walk is up in this pub.
You ready for this shit?
Yeah.